or 10th standard, they will give you questions will be like 2 root of 2 plus 5 root of 3. Okay, 2 minus
Yes, ma'am.
3. So for these kind of things, how you are going to manage with this operation? Like in this, we will be having like a rational as well
I'm
as
2 root 2, right? Ma'am,
yeah,
so
2
root
root
2
2.
and root 2 will get multiplied. So 2 into 2, 4. And then 2 into 3, 6. And root 3 into root 2 is root 6, ma'am. Minus. So it will be like that. And then we do the
No,
same
no.
with 5 root 3 and root 2, 3 root 3 and 5 root 3.
No, no, no. It's not like that. See, when you are having 2 root 2 means the root 2 is separate and 2 is separate. Okay. These two having their individual numbers and also equations. For this kind of questions, you have to first look at the bracket. Okay. You know this
Yes.
BODMAS theorem, right? BODMAS. Okay. In this, along with this, you have to see this is one bit and this is another bit. Between them, we are having one operation. What is that? Plus mark. Okay.
Yes.
So first we have to observe this plus mark. We have to take down the numbering.
Ma'am, I
Like
didn't
2
see the plus mark, ma'am.
here, this one. Okay, we are taking first this mark. Okay, plus sign we have take. So 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 here. If nothing in front of the number means, what will be the sign? You are having
Nothing.
root of 2. There is no
Plus,
anything.
ma'am.
You have to
Plus,
consider
plus.
it as a positive. Yeah, positive plus. Okay. Now the bracket in the sense which is nothing but multiplication. Okay. Now this sign, this operation is going to multiple with this number as well as this number. Okay. Plus into plus itself root of 2. And plus into minus, you will get minus 3 root 3. Okay. Now you are having root of 2, root of 3, root of 3. So that now you can take all root of 2's together and all root of 3's together. Okay. See, this is root of 2. This is root of 2. So 2 root of 2 plus root 2. The remaining 5 root of 3, 3 root of 3. The sign will be like plus 5 root of 3 and here you are having minus. Okay. Minus
Yes, ma'am.
3 root of 3. Now you can add 2 plus nothing here means what will be the number? Here.
No, ma'am.
1, 1. Okay. If nothing
Yes.
here means you have to assume that 1. 2 plus 1, 3 root of 2. So 5 minus 3. How much?
2.
2. Plus or minus?
Minus. Plus, ma'am.
Plus. Okay. Plus 2 root of 3. This going to be your answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You are adding or subtraction. When you are adding or subtracting the roots, whatever be the root value will be same as another root. If you are having root of 2, 4 plus 5 root of 2, so what is the answer?
Ma'am?
What is the answer? For example,
4 root 2 plus 5 root 2 is 9 root 2.
9 root 2. If you are having 4 root 2 minus 5 root 2, what is the answer?
Minus 1 root 2.
Good. Minus 1 root 2. Or you can write as minus root 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So nothing means there will be 1. So you can take or else you can note it as minus root 2, which is nothing but 1 root 2 minus. Okay. So
Yes,
addition
ma'am.
for this kind of question, you can do like this. Coming to subtraction. So take down the same question and we are applying here subtraction.
Which question, ma'am?
2 root 2, wait. Same. Right now we did no. That one. The question will be like 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3. Okay. Minus. We are taking minus root 2 minus 3 root 3. Now simplify. That will be like 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3. Now this minus into plus and minus into
Plus.
minus. Yeah.
Ma'am, so
So minus into plus, which is going to
root 2
result
minus
as
root
minus
2 will be
minus.
won't root 2 minus root 2 be 0?
Okay. Yeah, we will do. First we have to simplify.
Plus
We have
3
to
root 3.
plus 3 root 3. First we have to take the numbers out of this bracket. To take out of this bracket, we have to simplify with this sign. What is outside the bracket? Okay. So
Yes,
hence
ma'am.
we got that minus root 2 plus 3 root 3. Now simplify. Root 2s are one side, like 2
Ma'am,
root
it
2
will be 1 root 2
minus
plus
root
8 root
2.
3.
Okay, 5 root 3 plus 3 root 3. So 1 root 2. So that we can take it as root 2 plus 8 root 3. This will be the answer. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
addition, subtraction. Now we are going to do with multiplication. Okay. Now here 6 root of 5 into 2 root of 5. So what is the answer?
12 into 5, 60.
12 into 5, 60.
Yes, ma'am.
Carefully see. Yeah, 5
root
into
5.
5. 5 into 5.
Ma'am, it's root 5, right? Root 5
Yeah,
square
root
is
5.
5.
Root 5 square
And
is
6
5.
into 2 is 12.
Okay.
So 12 into 5 square, 12 into root 5 square, which is 60.
Yes, correct. Now, if you get same multiplication, 2 root 2 into 5 root 3. In this case,
And 2 root 2 into 5 root 3, 10 root 6.
10 root 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what about division? Now we are doing the division. Okay. Wait. I will take
Yes,
another
ma'am.
one. Now the last one is 8 root of 5 divisible by 2 root of 3. In this case, like 8 root of 5 divisible by 2 root of 3. So you can simplify here itself. You are having 8 root of 5. You are having 8 root of 5. 8 root of 5 divisible by 2 root of 3. So you can simplify here itself. Right?
Ma'am, 4
Mm, mm.
4 to the root 5 by 3.
4. Okay. 4 to the root 5 by 3. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, it will be whole root, ma'am. 4 to the root 5 by 3.
Very good. 5 by 3. So this will be the answer. Okay. Here operations, based on the operations, so the numbers are going to change. For example, if you get the same thing like a root 5 minus 2 root 3, what is the answer for this?
8 root 5 minus 2 root 3. I don't know, ma'am.
No. So this is like a roots are different.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, roots are different. So in this case, what you are going to do?
Ma'am, make the root same. But should we multiply both the roots with root?
Squares.
Should we
Squares,
multiply?
okay. Should multiply both the roots with the squares so that you will get cancel the square and roots.
Ma'am, so root 5 into root 5.
Yeah, no. For example, if in this case, if you multiple with square, okay, so
Yes,
the number
ma'am.
will come 2 square root 3 whole square. Okay. Now this 2, this one cancel. 2 2s are 4. I mean 2 into 2 is 4. Into 3 will be there. Hence 12. This value will come 12. Okay. For example, in this question, they give root of 5, root of 2, root of 5 plus root of 2. For simplifying, okay. So how it is going to look? There is a formula in this. Can you carefully observe? There is a formula like A minus B.
Yes, ma'am. 5 minus 2, ma'am, which is 3, which is
B.
8.
Yeah, very
A
good.
minus.
So the formula is A square minus B square. That means A means root of 5 whole square minus root of 2 whole square. So by keeping this square, okay, by keeping this squares, we are going to cancel these roots so that our simplification will get easier. That's it. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are get this kind of questions, you simply have to multiple or else make both the sides with a square so that you will get this square and this root will get cancelled so that you will get final answer. Okay. So in this only you are having another method like a rationalizing. So what do you mean by rationalizing? Rationalizing the denominator.
Ma'am, which means you multiply the denominator with a factor.
Multiple the denominator. For example, you will get the question like a 1 divided by root of 7 minus 2.
Ma'am, we'll do it root of 7 plus 2 by root of 7 plus 2 into 1 minus root by 7 minus 2.
So we are going to get like 1 root of 7 minus 2.
Ma'am, so it will be 7 minus 4.
Root of 7 plus 2 divided by root of 7 plus 2. So why we are interchanging? Why we are changing this sign? Why we are changing this sign? To maintain the balance. Okay. To maintain the balance. To maintain the balance, we are changing the sign symbol. And we are making this numerator and denominator with same multiple. Okay. To balance. Now, there is any formula in this also? Have you seen any formula?
No, ma'am.
No. Now we have to simplify this one. And also we have to simplify this one and this one.
Ma'am, 7 minus 4 will be the denominator. Root 7 plus 2 by 3.
Root 7 plus 2 by 3. No,
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
Simply we can do that. We can square them.
Yes, ma'am. We can do that also.
Yeah. If we do that, means we can get the number. Like these are irrational or rational?
Irrational.
Irrational. Now, for this irrational, we are making them into rational. What we are doing? We are rationalizing the denominator. So, what is the denominator here? Root of 7 minus 2. So, in this question, they are asking us to make rationalizing, which means this is already irrational. Okay? They have given
Yes,
the
ma'am.
question as a irrational and they are asking us to make rationalizing. So for rationalizing, we are taking the denominator in by changing the sign. Plus, if there is a minus means we are changing it to plus and we are making that rationalizing so that we can square also that number. 1 into 1 into root of 7 plus 2, how much?
Root 7 plus 2.
Very good. Root 7 plus 2. What about here? Root 7 minus 2 into
Ma'am,
root 7
7. Ma'am, that will be 7 minus 4. 3.
7 minus 4. See, this is like A minus B, A plus B. Like this.
Yes, ma'am.
If you observe carefully, A minus B into A plus B. So what is the formula for A minus B into A plus B? A square plus minus or plus?
Minus, minus.
A square minus B square. So A square means?
Ma'am,
square
the root
root
7.
7 square. Root 7 square. So B square means?
2.
Minus 2 square. Now, simplify it.
Ma'am, I told
See,
the
root
answer,
of
ma'am.
7 plus 2.
7 minus 4.
7 minus 4. So, next step. Is there any step or is this only the last? We are having next step.
Ma'am, there's another step, ma'am.
Ah.
Root 7 plus 2 by 3.
Very good.
You have to.
Yeah. So, can you try one thing, one question like this only?
Yes, ma'am, I can try. I can try, ma'am.
Okay. See, 1 by divided by root of 5 plus 3.
Ma'am, where are you writing, ma'am?
Here.
Yes, ma'am, I
1
can see. Yes.
divided by so make this rationalizing the denominator.
Ma'am, root 5 minus root 3 by 5 minus 9.
Correct. Root 5
minus 3 by 5 minus 9.
5 minus 9. Okay.
Ma'am, are you writing now? Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Yeah.
Root 5 minus root 3 divided by minus
4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now we will do the identification, like identity relating to square roots.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you mean that? Square roots?
A square plus
A
square plus B square plus 2AB, that one.
Yes. So what is the formula plus root of AB?
A square plus B square plus 2AB.
Okay. Then what is the formula for root of A plus root of B whole square?
Ma'am, root A square plus root B square plus 2 root AB.
That's it. Simplify it. You will get nice formula.
Ma'am, A plus B plus 2 root AB.
Good. 2 root AB. Then what about A plus B into a minus b.
A minus B. A square minus B square.
Good. Then a plus b into, okay, a plus root of b into a minus root of b.
Ma'am, A plus, ma'am, A minus B, A square minus B.
Good. A square minus b. Why? Because you are having a root for b. So that square
Yes,
and
ma'am.
this root will get cancelled. Now, extended law of exponents. So exponents is nothing but power.
Ma'am, 2. Yes, ma'am.
Power. Okay. Not only 2, you can get cubes also. Okay. Power. Whatever power is there, you called it as a exponent. Okay. Now, if you having the power like a to the power of 1 into a to the power of like 6. So, how you are going to write this?
A to the power 6. A to the power 6. Oh, A to the power 7, ma'am.
Very
6
good.
plus
A
1.
to the power, yeah. A to the power 1 plus 6. And a to the power 7. If you are having a to the power 4 square. So,
A
what
to the
is the
power
answer? A to the power? Hello?
8. 8. A to the power 8.
Very good. A to the power 8. If you are having like a to the power 4 divided by a to the power square. So, what is the answer?
A to the power 4 minus 2 A square.
4 minus 2. That means a square. Good. Now, for example, you are having n root of a. So, how you are going to write? In a power as an exponent.
A to the power 1 by n.
Very good. A to the power 1 by n. Good. Like that only if you are having 3 root of a. So, you are going to write?
A to the power 1 by 3.
Good. A to the power 1 by 3. So, that for example, you are having the number like 32 power 1 by 5. So, what is the answer for this?
2 is the answer.
2 is the answer. How?
They are asking us to basically find the fifth root of 32, which is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2.
Okay. So, that 2 to the power 5.
Yes, ma'am.
So, the answer will be
2, ma'am.
2. Okay. So, that 2 to the power 5. That means 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5. This 5 got cancelled. 2 will be the answer. Okay, fine. Now, there is like root of, okay, 165. How are you going to find this? By using the method of LCM or HCM? Now you tell me, this is rational number or irrational number? 165.
Ma'am, that is irrational, ma'am.
Irrational number. So you will get a square.
Ma'am, I won't get a square.
Even you won't get the root also, because should not be a complete root, because it's a prime number. No, it is not a prime number. Is this 165 is a prime number?
No, ma'am, it's not a prime number.
Yeah, it's not a prime number, but then also you are not going to get the complete root. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So in any question, if they ask you to find the rational number between 4 and 5, how you are going to do that? Find the rational number. Find the rational number between 4 and 5.
Ma'am, the same thing, ma'am. You multiply
Mm.
both of them by 10
Okay.
or
Both
any
of
number.
them by 10.
By
Okay.
10 or any number, ma'am.
Yeah, denominator should be same. The thumb rule is the denominator. For example, you are taking 4 by 2 means here also 5 by 2. Or else you are taking 4 by 10 means here also 5 by 10. So that you are going to get a rational number between these two objects, what they have given. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what do you mean by integers means? If they give you in integer format like -4 and -5. In this case,
Ma'am, you multiply both of them with 10 again and find.
okay, then also fine. So that you are going to get the same rational number between them. Okay. Next, plotting irrational number on number line. How you are going to do that? Plotting irrational number on number line.
Ma'am, irrational
For
number on number
example,
line, you'll have to do.
yeah, for example,
There are
if they ask
specific
you,
rules you'll have to follow, ma'am.
okay, what kind of a rule is that? Irrational number.
You'll have to draw 90 degrees. You'll have to draw a line of a specific length.
You have to use Pythagoras theorem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Pythagoras theorem. So like anything, so that you can find, you can show them as in a line format. But you have to show. For example, if they ask any number, means you have to mark and you have to make that irrational number. Okay, then only you are getting the mark. Then what do you mean by decimal expansion?
Ma'am, you put the irrational numbers or rational numbers into decimals.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Then this one.
Ma'am, what are you drawing, ma'am? Is that a triangle?
Yeah, triangle. Like I am going to draw this perpendicular Pythagoras theorem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, here Pythagoras theorem, perpendicular one, like h equals to root of p square plus b square, where this is the p and base will be this one. Okay. So if they have given this is root of 3, you have to apply in this format. So root of 3 will be like how much?
Ma'am, 1.6 something, ma'am.
1.6.
Approximately 1 point.
Approximately 1 point you are going to get. Okay. So that if you have scaling means it will come exact one. Okay. There is no be like whatever you
Ma'am,
are saying.
1.7. It's 1.732.
Good. And representing real number on the number line. How you are represent the real number on the number line. What do you mean by real number here?
Real number means like both rational and irrational numbers.
Okay, real number means rational and irrational, which is P by Q and which is not also P by Q format. Okay, so for that you have to show on the number line. Like the number line will be like a process of successive magnification. Okay, process of successive magnification. So successive magnification in the sense, for example, I am giving you 5.37 bar. Okay, I'm asking
Yes.
you to draw this, represent this on the number line, process of successive. Successive ante ఏంది మమ్మీ నీకు magnification. Successive magnification after keep on repeating. Okay, successive magnification means here the decimal whatever you are going to take, that is keep on repeating.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are
So how will
having
we draw it on the number line, ma'am?
Yeah, so for this kind of a question, you have
Ma'am,
to
so
first
first we'll
mark
have to,
the,
ma'am, I get it. I
uh,
get it, ma'am. First we'll have
yeah,
to take 5 and 6, then mark 5.3.
correct,
Then
correct.
again mark 5.3 and 5.4. And then you will have to
Hmm.
draw it. Where
Yeah,
the
first
bar
if
is,
you
we'll
have,
have to mark 5.37 there.
correct. For example, you are having 5 here and 6 here. You have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7, 8, 9, 10, and here will be the 6. So you have to mark again 3 here, so that you are going to get a 5, no? 5.3. So 3, again in this 3 and this 7, you are having 10 numbers difference. Okay, here you are going to mark as a 3.7 bar. So like that you have to show. Okay,
Yes,
visualize the
ma'am.
representation of 5.37 on the number line. This is number line up to 5 decimal place. Up to 5 decimal place. This is 5 and 6, 5 decimal place. And you have to mark that 5.37777. Why I am writing these many 7? This is successive magnification. The number which we have to, that is successive
Yes,
magnification, which
ma'am.
is on repeating the 7 number. Okay. For example, what is the answer for this?
Ma'am, which one?
8
8 by
divided
7.
by 7.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1.1
Mm-hmm.
1.14 bar.
1/4 bar.
Bar.
So what is the answer for 10 by 3?
Ma'am, 3.333 bar.
3.333 bar. So if you observe here, these are like what kind of a numbers?
Ma'am, they are never ending, ma'am. They are irrational numbers.
Yeah, irrational
Non-terminating and
and
non-recurring.
also
They recur. They
non-recurring
recur.
also. No, non-recurring. Okay, non-recurring and non-terminating also. You are going to get 0 here in this case? No, never. Why? Because you are keep on getting 1 only. Again, you have to keep 3 in the quotient. Again, you have to make 3. Again 1. Again 3. Like this, it keep on repeating. So non-recurring, non-terminating. These kind of a numbers, you can make it them as successive magnification. Okay. And there is another number also. Like for example, this is 8 by 7, no? Like 7 by 8. Answer it. 7 by 8.
Ma'am, 7 by 8.
Huh. 7 by 8.
Ma'am, then it will be 0.
Mm.
0.
Mm-hmm.
0.8.
Huh.
0.875.
Very good. 0.875. So that you are going to get the 0 as a reminder, which you can conclude that this number is a terminating and this is non-terminating. So we can show this
Yes,
process of
ma'am.
successive magnification in non-terminating numbers. Okay. Now, see, to get rational number, addition, irrational number, you are going to get rational or irrational?
Ma'am, we are going to get irrational.
4 plus 3. You are going to get
7, ma'am. That's
irrational number.
irrational.
Next, rational minus irrational. You are going to get,
Irrational.
yes, irrational only. Here also irrational. So the sum or difference of a rational number and an irrational number is irrational only. Okay. If you are doing rational into irrational, So you are going to get irrational only in this case.
Irrational.
So now rational divided by irrational. Again, you are going to get irrational only. Okay. The product
Yes, ma'am.
quotient of a non-zero rational number with an irrational number is irrational. So this is the formula. Like you will be having all these functions, plus, minus, multiplication, division. Okay, if we add, subtract, multiply or divide two irrationals, the result may be rational or irrational. That means two irrational. For example, irrational into irrational. There is a chance that you will going to get irrational or rational. But irrational into rational, you definitely going to get only irrational. Okay. These are
Yes,
like
ma'am.
thumb rules. This will be helpful while simplifying the quick math.